Today, we're going to learn what coding means and then we'll play a fun game to practice. Are you ready to think like a computer? Coding is how we tell a computer what to do. Just like giving a friend directions to get somewhere, we give the computer instructions step by step. People use coding to create fun games, apps on your tablet, and websites you visit. It's like learning a special language. Before we play our game, let's learn a few important words you'll see and hear while coding. Code is how we give directions to a computer, just like telling a robot what to do. A program is all the steps put together. It's the whole list the computer runs from start to finish. Sequence means the order. If your steps are out of order, the program won't work correctly. An algorithm is the steps we think of to solve a problem. It's like a recipe before we turn it into code. A sprite is a little character that follows your code. In our game, it's a frog. So let's get started on the instructions for our game. Your job is to help the frog get to the lily pad by giving it the right steps. Use the arrows to tell the frog where to go. Drag them into the boxes in the right order. After you build your code, press the Run Code button. Watch the frog follow your steps. The code worked. We gave clear directions and the frog followed them step by step all the way to the lily pad. That's what coding is all about, solving problems with smart steps. Take your time, think about your steps, and if it doesn't work the first time, try again. Now you're ready to play. Click the link below, code your path, and help the frog hop to the lily pad.